Hey guys, welcome to our tutorial. Um, this tutorial will deal with the multiplot function, that is plotting several plots in one matrix. And for this tutorial, we'll need some packages, and these packages are we'll need a dplyr, grid extra, ggplot, and grid. So dplyr will be assistant in the manipulation, data manipulation, grid extra for grids and grid, and it's the same, almost the same thing. ggplot is for plotting the functions, creating the plots, and we'll need this support function, the multiplot function, which is created by something called, I don't know what stone. Yes, and I have provided a link here so that you can have a look at it. We'll not have much discussion on the function because that is not for this tutorial. Let's dip straight into the main core for this tutorial, and that is how to plot the plots in one matrix. This data from an income survey data. I have labeled as train data. Let me load the data. Sorry, I forgot to run the libraries. Thank you. And then run the libraries, load the support function. Let's see, I'm already loaded. I've already loaded the data. So what you do, you need to label your graphs or your plots. Mine, I'll be plotting 5 plots, and I've labeled them as G1, G2, G3, G4 to G5. The data I will be plotting for the train data. I've selected around four variables that I'll be plotting. That is work class, education. You can see I've repeated education, but that is I don't think that will be a big deal. And then there is marital status and race. So yes, all these variables, as you can see, all of them are categorical variable or factors. So hope that you know how to use the ggplot. So if you are aware of how to use the ggplot, then this should be shouldn't be a challenge. Just plot your plots, but the difference is you have to label them. So G1, G2 to G3, G4 to Gn. After labeling your plots, then you come and create a layout. So we will be pasting our plots to a matrix, and this matrix at the layout position will state or will show how the layout should be of this plot that I've created on a particular matrix. So we have five plots, and these 5 plots will be plotted by row. That is, this matrix will create a 3x2 matrix, and the plots will be allocated by row. That is, the first 2 will be on the first row, the second 2 will be on the second row, the third row will allocate the last one. So this part here, it shows how the allocation of the plots. So the first plot, the second plot will be, this one will be on the first row, 3, 4 will be on the second row. Then the last row, the fifth plot is allocated the whole of the fifth row, the whole of the third row, because this one shows that the fifth plot has been allocated that row, column 1 and column 2. Yes, that is by row, is true. Then now we come on and take the multiplot function, that this supporting function. We state the plots that are supposed to be they are supposed to be plot in one matrix. that is G1, G2, G3, G4, and G5, and we state how, that is the layout. The layout was already stated before, that is how the matrix should be laid out on that how plots should be laid out on that matrix. Yes, then we run. Let's say I to populate the plots. Oh, the plots are there. Maybe I can just hash this. So you can see that plots have been plotted individually but grouped together. Each plot is plotted individually but grouped together in a matrix. Yes. So that is all for this tutorial. If you have queries, you can put them below. And yes, like the page for more great tutorials. Thanks.